Wat ek links doen moet ek regs doen oor die hele ding. Jy kan nie wortel van daai en wortel van daai van. Okay. Jy kan van die reg of jy kan net sien ek sal dit nou reg. Dan OA 5 kwadraat minus 3 kwadraat 16. Wortel van 16 is 4. So ons het gaan uitwerk OA is 4. Okay.
Hi, this is Luke van Eyck and this is my JCP project. My group number was 302 and the project name was Maths Intervention Classes. So this project was located at Kempton Park High School in Glenmore, Kempton Park. This was the high school that I attended, and what this project was about was firstly giving back to the community in the form of maths classes for students who are struggling with math, as can be seen in the introductory video, as well as students who were trying to get their distinctions. I was there to aid. Okay, so as you will see on the schedule, for my first session I had 2 grade 8 classes. These were the distinction candidates, and my job here was to work through difficult problems that I chose for them and passed exams to help them get their distinctions. I will now follow with a video to show the enthusiasm and the fun we had.
Ek het gesê hy is maar van die X. Dis net die X kry in 60 ons sê klaar.
Ja, so ja, maar jy weet jy het hy is al van die X kode. Ja.
Zie je, dit is die daai saam,
Dis nie gelyk aan.
ja, hy is gelyk aan X wat 64 is gelyk aan plus minus 180 minus 64.
Okay, net om
Okay, so we can see the grade 8s were an interesting bunch. Now we move on to the grade 11s. My goal here was to help them pass their exams and work through past papers. And one of the papers had a very cool question that I decided to do interactively in class with them, with their permission.
Kijk, zoals we gaan weer door jou. Jy moet maar 4 mense aangeskryf. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wie staan dit jy nou wie staan dit jy nou nog geskryf?
Nou, nee.
So jy het nou al 4 se nog geskryf. Jy moet nou nog jy het nog net 3 ander mense aanskryf. Jy 1, 2, 3 mense aanskryf. Jy moet nog syne skryf. Ja, 2.
I think the grade 11s enjoyed that session very much. Now if you look on your screen, you'll see the schedule has a red block. Now this red block was my JCP challenge, as can be seen from the photo on screen now. What happened was it was a Saturday afternoon, it was very hot, and I don't think anybody felt like doing mathematics, so nobody showed up. So I decided to make the best of the situation, and I did some preparation for the next day, as well as I got some good footage for my JCP video. So on the screen you'll see me working out some examples, and this was just to prepare for the sessions that were ahead. Following now you'll see me with the grade 9s, who turned out to be my largest session.
sit in ons toets. Okay.
Moet op de kap in die brief die elke keer schrijft.
Jy hoef nie, jy kan hom een keer skryf. Iemand maak fine. Ek was nie nog van die leesbasis te nie.
So I really enjoyed the grade 9 group. They were a fantastic bunch. Now we move on to the schedule, and you will find that there were only a few sessions left, and they were structured the same as the one I just showed, where they were structured towards passing the exams. Okay, so now I'll move to what the project meant to me. So let's start with the outcomes. It's difficult to measure the outcomes of such a project because it's not a materialistic project. But speaking to a few students, I realized that I had properly prepared them for the exams and they felt confident going in. Moving on to the knowledge I acquired, I now know what it feels like to be a teacher, and they are very undervalued. Being on your feet for such long times, teaching the same class over and over again, and having to do it with a smile on your face is really difficult. Paired with the knowledge I gained, I also gained 4 valuable skills, which were time management, patience, finding a balance between speed and thoroughness of classes, and to be concise. Finally, I would like to thank Kempton Park High School for having me and allowing me to give back to them through the maths intervention classes. I really learned so much, and I would love to do some more community projects in my future. This concludes my JCP project. Thank you for watching.